So you're going to want to experiment with different types of media. So it's not just a simple text ad. Think video, for example. Video can perform really well in a social campaign. Everybody remembers the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, right? The Ice Bucket Challenge is something that went absolutely viral and generated a ton of money for a charity organization because it was something that felt real and fun, and it wasn't just a very stale text ad. I will say, never go into it with the goal of creating a viral video. That's a recipe for disaster. You always want to create something that you think is a really great piece of compelling content.
So I think YouTube is a really cost-effective place for any small business or startup to start promoting their business. I think YouTube is a place where people go and search and try to figure out, our business is legitimate, and how do I use this business, or what is this business all about? So YouTube can be a great place where users will discover your product, and also where you can quickly explain your value proposition. So I've seen really creative 15 to 30-second YouTube videos where a business will just really quickly explain who they are, maybe even a quick navigation of their site or app, and then a call to action. So let's say, you want someone to just download your app today. I would, explain your value proposition, what a user needs to know about your business, what sets you apart from any other competitor, then maybe showing the best case scenario, how a user would use your app, and make sure the app navigation is easy and very clear. Show that on the video, and then make it clear that the call to action is download the app today and start using your product. So YouTube is just a great platform for you to explain who you are, and to do it simply and easily and really capture an audience. So once you have that video that is just very clear in who you are and what you can offer, then you can start using it as an ad format. So you can use that video to be placed in YouTube search results as well as before other videos. So those are what we call in-stream ad formats, or in-stream YouTube videos, and that also is an auction. So it's very similar in principle in how you set up the campaign, but the great thing is you can use that captivating video as an ad to explain who you are and capture users while they're on YouTube. So TrueView is what we call the ad formats on YouTube that are auction-based. So these are ads that you get to decide how much you're willing to bid for a view of your video. And the great thing is you only pay when a user views your video. So you can place your ad before other videos. Maybe you want to make sure the content is similar. We could go back to the travel example. So if I'm searching for great places to travel, and then I have, let's say you're a hotel app, so maybe your ad, you want to place your video ad before I watch a video about this hotel resort I'm gonna go check out. Okay, so you can target, your ads based on theme or categories, and so then when your ad shows before the video, the user then has a choice to skip the ad or watch the full ad. Ideally, the ad is only about 15 or 30 seconds, but you only pay when a user watches 30 seconds of the video or the full length of the video. So if your video is only 15 seconds and a user gets to the 15-second mark, that's when you pay per view. But if a user wants to skip after 2 or 5 seconds, they have the choice to skip the ad. And what's great about this ad format is that you're only capturing users that are engaged, that actually want to watch this ad, that are actually interested in your product. And the rest you didn't even have to pay for. So maybe they did watch 10 seconds and maybe they'll think about you later, but you don't actually have to pay for that view.